Welcome to this tutorial on how to add a job board to your Wix site. Having a job board on your website can be a great way to attract top talent and streamline your hiring process. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to create a job board on your Wix site. First, you need to log into your Wix account and select the site you want to add the job board to. Once you are in the editor, click on the Add button on the top bar and select Apps from the drop-down menu. Search for Job Board in the search bar and select the job board app. Click the Add to Site button to install the app. Once the app is installed, click on the job board icon on the left side of the editor to configure the settings. Here you can customize the job board to fit your needs by selecting the layout and design. To add a job posting, click on the Add Job button and fill in the required information such as job title, location, and description. You can also add a job category and set the application deadline. To make your job board visible to visitors, you need to add it to a page on your site. Drag and drop the job board icon to the page where you want it to appear. You can customize the layout and design of the job board to fit your site. Finally, click on the Publish button to make your job board live. Now visitors can view and apply for job openings on your site. You can manage job postings and applications from the job board dashboard. By following these steps, you can easily add a job board to your Wix site and start attracting top talent to your company. Remember to customize the job board to fit your needs and make it easy for visitors to apply for job openings. With a job board on your Wix site, you can streamline your hiring process and find the best candidates for your company.